Hi Steven, my name is Delores Garcia from Sunny King Toyota, and today I'm going to do this quick video for you to show you the 2019 Toyota 4Runner. We've had it here on the lot for a couple days, just arrived. All of our vehicles, new vehicles, offer a lifetime powertrain warranty, which covers engine, transmission, and driving axles. It is a Pro. I'm going to get a better close at the wheels for you. It's got keyless entry. Gives you about anywhere about 17 to 20 miles to the gallon. It does have power seats, automatic windows, automatic lock. You have heated seats. You have a CD player, backup camera. Nice running boards, which is part of the package of the TRD. I'm going to show you the back seat. You got leather, automatic window. You've got some plug-ins for your charger. You've got some vents. Right here, you have the ability to have some storage for drinks. I love that rack on the top. I'll show you a little bit more. I'm going to show you the back of this vehicle. You've got your trailer hitch. Let's see, I'm going to open it up for you. You got your backup camera right there. You've got your cargo tray, extra plug-in for your charger. Got an extra plug-in right there. I love this cargo tray because if you have anything that's heavy, you can put it on here and just slide it in. Those seats, you can let them down. It's the black interior. We have a bumper warranty, bumper to bumper warranty, 3-year 36, 4-year 45 on the maintenance. So why don't you come on in and take it for a test drive? We would love to show it to you in person. Like I said, my name is Delores Garcia. I'm a product specialist here at Sunny King Toyota. If you would like more information, give us a call. You have a good day. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.